Om Shri Paramatmane Namah. Let us see something interesting and instructive, both interesting and instructive, in the Bhagavad Gita. Chapter 5, verse 14. न कर्तृत्वं न कर्माणि लोकस्य सृजति प्रभु न कर्म फल संयोगम स्वभावस्तु प्रवर्तते. God determines not the doership nor the doings of man, nor even their contact with the fruit of actions, but it is nature alone that functions. Interesting and instructive both. God determines not the doership. God does not say you do it or you don't do it. God does not say anything. It is written here. God determines not the doership, nor the doings. You are free to do something, may not do. God does not decide for us what we should do, what we should not do. It is written here. I am not saying from my side. It is written here. God determines not the doership, nor the doings of men. We become ourselves doers. I have done it, I have done it, I have done like that. God does not determine it. I will do this work, I will not do this work. This is our own decision. God does not point out, you do this or you don't do it. God determines not the doership, nor the doings of man, nor even their contact with the fruit of actions. Nor even their contact with the fruit of actions. We ourselves have joined ourselves with the fruits of action. We join ourselves with the fruit of action. If the fruit of action is according to our desires, we start laughing. If it goes against our desire, we start weeping. Because we connected ourselves. So you are free to weep or you are free to laugh. God is not interfering. God not doing anything. Unnecessarily we are blaming God. God did this, God is not doing anything. Interesting and instructive both. Nature alone is functioning. The tamasic person is doing tamasic actions. The rajasic is doing rajasic actions. The sattvic is doing sattvic actions. And who has gone beyond all the three qualities is not doing anything. Everything is happening for him. He has understood the whole mechanism of what is happening here. So nature alone that functions, nature is functioning, and that is to be realized. We are not a part of nature. We see the nature, we are not the nature. The seeing happens. Consciousness, pure consciousness is pure wisdom, pure knowledge. And in pure knowledge, there happens all whatever comes to perception without the consciousness or knowledge being affected by the seen. The seer remains as such always, without being imprinted permanently by the seen. And if the seer is imprinted, is influenced, then the seer does not remain of the quality of God, but becomes nature, and nature means weep, sometimes smile, sometimes weep, sometimes smile, sometimes weep. God determines not the doership nor the doings of men, nor even their contact with the fruit of actions, but it is nature alone that functions. I give an example. All examples are given from the world of nature. That is the whole problem in spirituality. One not problem, but it is. Because no example can be given from the angle of that truth which is experienced. But just to indicate, I am giving an example. Here is this light. And in this light, sometimes a bird appears. If a parrot comes in here from the outside, a parrot with green feathers. And then comes a peacock, and sometimes another bird, a small bird with a red beak. Sometimes a fly. This light is not being contaminated by them. It is not affected. It remains the same whether there may be a peacock or a bird or a mouse or a cat. The function of the light is only to reveal. So the function of God is just to reveal pure wisdom. This is in nature, like that. So God does not do anything. In the same way, God does not do, our real self does not do. There is no doership in the self. Doership happens in ego. Self is separate from ego. It is ego which says, I have done this marvelous work. I am a nice man. Now after some time, the President of the Republic is going to honor me. I am something not ordinary. And then after some days, oh yes, this bad thing happened. I may be caught. And instead of being honored by the President, I may go to prison. Like that, things change. The credit was being taken by ego, and this thing is also being done by ego. The self is like a mirror, light, pure light, knowledge. God is that.